Albert Cash Advance gets declined most often because the APS eligibility system detects low account activity, missing banking history, or a temporary risk flag on your account. By the end, you'll know why the decline happens, how Albert decides approval, and the exact fixes that usually get the Cash Advance working again. Start with how approval works. Albert does not guarantee cash advances for every user, even if the app is installed and the account is active. Now explain what that means. Cash advance access is based on internal eligibility checks that update over time. Now explain the most common cause. Low or inconsistent bank activity is one of the main reasons cash advances get declined. Now explain what to do. Keep your linked bank account active by allowing regular deposits and transactions to sync into Albert. Now explain another trigger. Recent bank changes like switching accounts or reconnecting your bank can reset your eligibility status. Now, explain the fix. If you recently changed banks, give the app time to rebuild your transaction history before trying again. Now, explain another issue. Declines can also happen when Albert detects inconsistencies in your connected account data. Now explain what to do. Open Albert and make sure your bank connection is stable and fully synced without errors. Now explain security flags. Using VPNs or logging in from multiple devices in a short time can trigger security-based declines. Now explain the fix. Turn off VPNs and stick to one device when requesting a cash advance. Now, explain timing. Sometimes the system simply needs time to refresh eligibility after a failed request. Now explain what to do. Waiting 24 to 72 hours before trying again can help reset internal risk checks. Now, explain user behavior factor. Frequent advance requests without repayment history can lower approval chances. Now explain what to do. Build a consistent repayment pattern if you already have previous advances. Now explain limitation. Some users are permanently not eligible for cash advances based on internal risk models. Now, explain what that means. In those cases, no manual fix inside the app will force approval. Now summarize the core idea. Albert Cash Advance. Declines are usually caused by low banking activity, recent account changes, or internal risk checks. Stabilizing your bank connection and maintaining consistent account activity improves approval chances. And in some cases, eligibility cannot be manually changed by the user. One practical next step. Reconnect your bank account, disable VPN usage, and wait 48 hours before submitting another cash advance request. If this helped, like the video, and subscribe for more clear fixes for financial app issues without confusing or technical explanations.